Hey, what is it, sweetie? Okay, I'll be out in a sec.
The snowstorm is coming.
Where are you taking me? Oh, Jesus, it's cold. Got you, little ones. You guys are safe now.
Oh, you guys are so cute. You're brave, Mom. Sleep well.